Hi, this is Dr. Tanner Melnick, physical therapist and running specialist here at Movement Rehab and Performance, and today I have a question for you. Are you able to run comfortably for 30 minutes while keeping a conversation? Now I want you to be honest. Can you speak multiple sentences without long pauses to catch your breath? Does your breathing remain controlled and consistent throughout? Are you able to run the whole 30 minutes without taking breaks for walking? And if the answer is no to any of these questions, then you likely have a limitation in your aerobic energy systems. And in this video, I'm going to tell you how you can improve these limitations. So when you are running, you are primarily using your aerobic energy systems to supply the energy needed to keep going. These energy systems use oxygen to help break down fats and carbs that are stored in your body to produce the energy that you need while you're running. Now, these systems can provide energy for long durations, but that is only the case when your effort and intensity level is controlled. If you begin to push yourself too hard to the point where your breathing becomes labored and heavy, you will no longer be efficiently training these aerobic energy systems, and you will likely tire very quickly. So now you may be wondering, how exactly do we train these systems efficiently then? Well, I suggest using an alternating run and walk program. This will allow you to efficiently train your aerobic systems while at the same time you get comfortable with the running for longer durations and the loading of the body. So this program is predicated on running at the correct intensity during the running segments in order to see progress. The correct intensity here refers to the questions I asked at the beginning of the video, so you need to be able to remain below the intensity threshold in order to get the most benefit out of this program. Some guidelines that you should look out for while you're running to make sure that you're remaining in this comfortable zone are going to be that you can speak multiple sentences without needing to gasp for air or breath and not needing to take long pauses. Your breathing should remain controlled. You should be able to breathe through your nose consistently without a lot of effort. This should mean that you're remaining below a 4 out of 10 on the RPE scale for the intensity the entire time. If you can no longer do any of these kind of checks, then that would mean that you've surpassed this 4 out of 10 intensity. The program itself is a run walk program where you run for as long as you can without exceeding this 4 out of 10 intensity. If you begin to approach that level and then go beyond it, you're going to then walk until you get back to a comfortable place where then you can resume running again. It does not matter how long you're able to run for or how long you have to walk for. The idea being that you kind of stick in these parameters and you keep repeating that run, walk, alternating until you achieve 30 total minutes. So the goal will be that as your fitness improves, your time spent running should steadily increase and the time spent walking should decrease until you reach the goal stated at the beginning of the video, where you're running for 30 minutes straight, not exceeding this 4 out of 10 intensity level, at which point you will be ready for whatever kind of increasing challenge it comes to related to running. I hope you found this video helpful to progress your running. If you have more questions on starting out or progressing your running, then check out our ebook for beginning and intermediate runners for more detailed progression, and as always, happy running.